nearly 6 decades, Lutron has been the undisputed leader in lighting control. In our vision for excellence, we reflect on how people live in and love their most personal spaces, then reimagine their day-to-day so that our solutions realize the full potential of the home. Harnessing the power of light helps achieve that potential, making it the new luxury home differentiator. HomeWorks revolutionized the industry by delivering exceptional, lifestyle-enhancing, personalized experiences to luxury homeowners. A sophisticated system behind the scenes, HomeWorks makes everyday living simpler and more convenient. And it brings together Lutron lighting control, shades, and catcher lighting for perfectly curated experiences. Lutron also creates magic with our RA2 Select and Caseta wireless systems. These solutions deliver the convenience of personalized lighting and shade control for any home. The beauty in Lutron solutions revolves around creating personal moments with a single touch and harmonizing with a home's architecture. Over the years, Lutron's keypad aesthetics have become refined and sleek. We've taken our finishes to the next level with genuine, authentic materials. We've expertly curated our fabric collection to complement your interior design, and our fixtures have raised the bar in LED lighting. A comfortable home just makes life easier. Our motion sensors are that extra pair of hands when yours are full, helping balance the course of your day. Comfort also manifests itself through natural light. And channeling natural light is effortless and more decadent with our automated window coverings. They let the sun in to energize mornings while ensuring privacy, and they block midday glare while preserving your view. Lutron shades move quietly and precisely, responding at the touch of a button or through a personalized schedule. Add them to your favorite scenes, adjusting lights and shades in harmony. A reliable product will make your job easier. Bringing an elevated design element to our category is Ketra, the most innovative light source in the world. Ketra sets the bar for stunning light, allowing you to seamlessly bring the splendor of natural light indoors. Ketra also exemplifies the quality of all Lutron solutions, and that quality, combined with our support, is why Lutron has been your trusted brand for years. Our passion for what we do has been evident since day one, standing the test of time as the concept of home has been reinvented. And no matter what direction home takes as we move forward, Lutron will continue to be here for you, delivering a portfolio of high-quality, reliable, beautiful products that work together seamlessly. Lutron is committed to delivering an immersive experience in lighting and shading solutions and providing our customers with the tools they need to grow their business. Please join us for Lutron Connection 2020, digitally connecting, inspiring, and informing our dealers when an in-person gathering just isn't possible this year. We hope you'll join us.